Hey, everyone! Today, we're talking about a really funny part of Australian history, the Great Ostrich War. It's a story of humans versus ostrich. Farmers in Australia in the 1932, the big birds called ostriches are eating all of their crops. It's like an all-you-can-eat buffet for them, and farmers are not happy. So, the government sent in soldiers with machine guns to fight the ostriches. Yes, they were going to war against birds. Sounds crazy, right? But the funny part is ostriches are super fast and clever. They ran around so quickly that the soldiers had a tough time aiming at them. It was like a birdie game of hide and seek. The whole world found out about this battle, and newspapers had headlines like "Ostrich win." The ostriches were winning against the mighty military. As days passed, the soldiers realized they couldn't catch these speedy birds. It was getting embarrassing. So, the government called off the war, and the ostriches were declared the winners. And that's the Great Ostrich War, a strange and funny story of humans trying to fight birds and losing. It's a reminder that sometimes, nature can surprise us all.